Welcome to the MadLearn Content Editor template. In this template, you can bring in text, photos, and resources into your app. Start by opening a content editor template. Give it a screen name and edit the title bar. Notice the editor option on the right. Here, you can add and edit content by simply typing in the text field. You can also use buttons to make changes to the text. Here is a quick guide to the editor functions from left to right. You can also add images. For more information about this, refer to the Embedding Media into Screens using HTML. You can also make a media element bigger or smaller. In this template, you can also add a button by selecting Button. You can activate the button editor by clicking the toggle. Buttons can also be edited here. Here are a few helpful hints and reminders. To open any new template, always click the green Add Screen button above the list. Always follow the prompts that are provided. Once a template is selected, you must first assign a screen name, which is located at the top of the editor field at the right. It is helpful to assign a screen name that matches the name of the referring button. Do not change the screen name for the home screen template. And lastly, after entering the screen name, hit Enter or click anywhere outside of the screen name field to save the screen before starting to edit. Have fun exploring and good luck!